What's up, guys? Today we're gonna look at dog shoes. Yeah, so I bought these online at Amazon. These are the largest size. I'll put the details in the description below, but we're gonna try them out. So it comes in a set of 4. We'll take a look at it. It has this Truelove thing here. It has 2 Velcro straps to fit the dog paw under, and I guess you just tighten it like so. Here has rubbery grip like you'd find on a shoe. This seems like there's ventilation. This is a lot softer. This is, I guess, synthetic leather. Looks durable. Let's try it out. What's that? Okay, come here. I think he's afraid. Come on. Oh, atta boy. So it's a good fit. So he can, yeah, it has enough space to move. I'm not sure how tight these are though. Let's try. These are stretchy. There's a bit of elastic on it. Is it too tight? Yeah, no, it's too tight. Just loosen that. Okay, I'll put... Oh.
He doesn't like it. Those don't like shoes anyway.
Oh, the reason why I got these shoes was because he had a rash in between his fingers, his digits, and it was caused by the sand and the seawater irritating his skin. Yeah, he has enough movement. And it's not too... Okay.
What about the other two?
I'm just going to try the first two ones, see if you can walk with it. Come on. Come on. It's not too bad. Although he walks kind of awkward with it. Come on.
Put the other two.
Yeah. They're easy to fit on. Let's have a look at the inside of it. Inside, it looks like it's stitched well. It has this, it's kind of like a car seat feel to it. It's kind of like felt. I guess that's the protect. Okay. It doesn't help that he doesn't like it. Need to try hold it in. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, we'll play the treats game. Okay, go, get the treats. Go on, good boy. Go, 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 go. Go on. He's like a newborn horse.
Yeah.
Oh, he's trying to take him off. Go, get the treats. Go. Go on, go.
Falling off.
He's trying to take him off. Good job. Go.
But most dogs walk the same when the shoes are on for the first time.
Oh, he got the back one off.
Uh-oh. Part of the review.
I didn't want to put him on too tight though. Good job.
There's one more.
There's more. Go. Go.
It's awkward to run.
Ready, ready. Go. Good job. Come on. Ready, ready, ready. Go. Good job. Well done. Alright, so that's just the first look at these dog shoes. Hope you liked the video. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them in the description below. Thanks for watching. Wait. Say bye. Speak. Speak. Bye.